House Republicans are close to launching an impeachment inquiry after written interviews and public statements by two IRS informants earlier this summer regarding the government's handling of President Joe Biden's investigation into his son, Hunter Biden, according to a senior GOP aide who spoke to CBS News. The whistleblower's statement about the investigation was a game-changing event. He said that with significant new evidence uncovered by House Republicans committee investigators, the impetus to launch an impeachment inquiry has increased. The aide said September will be a pivotal month, with Attorney General Merrick Garland's anticipated testimony before the House Judiciary Committee. Garland is expected to be pressured by Republicans over obvious inconsistencies in statements about authority held by United States at time. Attorney David Weiss will file charges as part of the 5-year investigation into Hunter Biden. White House spokesman Ian Sams said this baseless impeachment will be a disaster. Republicans in Congress. And don't take our word for it, just listen to the chorus of Republican friends who admit there is no evidence. They're baseless allegations. And pursuing such a partisan spectacle will backfire. Garland and two IRS informants disagree about whether he was then U.S. Attorney David Weiss had final authority to press charges during the 5-year investigation. In June, Garland said Weiss can decide to sue in any way and in any region. Since whistleblowers' testimony in July, House of Representatives GOP-led Ways and Means Committee has also taken two senior IRS officials to court with direct knowledge of October 2022 meeting, which IRS whistleblower Shapley claims said Weiss did not have final authority to bring that meeting. Accusations were made and special counsel was denied status. The Republican chairman of committee, Representative Jason Smith, sent letters Michael Batdorf, identified as the IRS Director of Field Operations, and to Darrell Waldon, Special Agent for IRS, asking them participate in written interviews in early September. Smith said in letter that the committee wanted speak to them because they had direct knowledge of an important meeting on October 7, 2022, where updates Hunter Biden investigation were being discussed. He noted that until now, IRS officials had voluntarily refused to cooperate with the request to transcribe the interview, and were therefore subpoenaed. According to transcript of Shapley's interview before the House Roads and Vehicles Committee in May, Shapley described October 7, 2022 session as his red line meeting. Shapley said senior executives from Weiss and IRS, the FBI and Delaware US Attorney's Office, among others, were in attendance. He then shocked us with a statement that shook the world. Biden's appointee, in addition to reports that D.C. U.S. Attorney General Matthew Graves would not allow Hunter Biden to press charges in Washington, D.C., where he had lived for some years.